Hi. I'm 54 today.
Say, hey, what's up, you guys? Say that.
I'm 54
No.
today. Hey, what's up, guys? It's me. Vlogger.
Vlogger.
We're here at Disneyland. We're gonna see how good the chicken, the fried chicken. We're gonna get some fried chicken and some turkey leg.
He's really good.
And then we're gonna see Star Wars. We might see some celebrities today because it's real light and they like going out when there's no people. Celebrities don't like to be crowded. They like
But you're a celebrity.
yeah, except me. I like crowd. So let's see. We'll go at it.
What do you like doing for your hobby?
Well, before I used to play basketball a lot, but I wasn't that
You have
good.
to speak up.
Everybody's taller than me, you know. It's hard. Plus, I wear glasses when I was playing, and it kept breaking. I put a rubber band just to keep it on my face, and I saved up for contact lens. But by that time, I didn't want to play anymore. Anyway, so here we are. See, look how empty it is. They're so empty. You can have your own car. She owns this. She owns this place. That's why she's telling me not to get it dirty with my feet.
Why did you sit with us?
Because it's so empty. It's empty. You can have your own space.
This is new.
You know what that is? That's a bat. A bat. B-A-T. A big 3.
Dad!
Oh my goodness. Oh. I thought it was gonna be a piece of but it was a piece of cake. Best birthday ever. Subscribe and hit that button so you can be notified if there's a new video. Like it, pay for it. Alright, later.